Hello there. We are starting off with our canvas already created. Let's create our ball. For this, I'm starting off by setting the X and Y for the ball location. Also, I'm setting a var with the ball radius. Let's choose blue for our ball color. To organize our code, let's create a function that will be responsible to draw the ball. All good. Let's continue. Now, the fun begins. I'm creating a function that will be responsible to draw and redraw our canvas. In this function, the clearRect function will clear the canvas, then we will call drawBall. After that, we will call a function that will tell the browser to run the draw function before next repaint. I'm creating the vars that will control the velocity of the ball in the x-axis and the y-axis. Let's apply that in our drawBall function. It works, but it's not what we want. We need to somehow tell where are the boundaries of our canvas. Since the x and y is the left top of our ball, we need to subtract the radius to the edge of the canvas. Let's apply to the x value and then for the y value. The strategy here is when we hit the edge, we invert the direction of the x and y by multiplying by -1. That will make the ball reverse the direction of x or y if the respective edge is crossed. That worked for the right down edge. Let's go ahead and do the same but with the top left edge in mind. Now it works. But as the x and y velocity is the same, the slope of the ball is linear and that will make the ball entering in a loop. To fix that, we just need to set the x and y velocity to different values. Let's give it a try. As you can see, it works like a charm. I hope you liked. If you do, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.